Good morning, students. Today we will start the fourth lesson, food and digestion. Why do we need food? We need energy to do our work. We get this energy from the food we eat. Food helps us to grow and remain healthy. We need good food to grow strong and healthy. We get food from plants and animals. From plants, we get fruits and vegetables. From animals, we get egg, milk and meat. We should eat cooked food. Some cooked foods may provide the body with more nutrients than the raw food because they are easier to chew and digest. Proper digestion is necessary to absorb nutrients. Cooking improves taste of food. What are the functions of food? Food has three main functions: growth and development, provision of energy, repair and maintenance of body's cells. Eating a variety of food is essential for life. No matter what we eat, we all need the same substances to grow and keep our body healthy. Such substances needed by the body for proper growth are called nutrients. Food is something that provides nutrients. Now, we will discuss the nutrients present in food. Nutrients help our body in different ways. It provides energy for all activities, growth and functions of the body such as breathing, digesting and keeping warm. To perform all life process, we need energy and nutrients. Energy comes from foods rich in carbohydrate, protein and fats. Nutrients can be grouped as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, water, roughage and vitamins. It includes fatty acids. Now we will discuss the different food groups. They are energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Let us study one by one. What are carbohydrates? One of the primary functions of carbohydrates is to provide your body with energy. Most of the carbohydrates in the foods you eat are digested and broken down into glucose before entering the bloodstream. Food items such as rice, wheat, maize, sugar, potatoes and bananas contain carbohydrates. Foods that contain carbohydrates give us energy. So, they are called energy giving food. What happens if we eat a lot of fried food? Eating fried foods may increase your risk of diseases, or it may increase the risk of heart diseases and sugar. Food items such as oils, nuts, butter, and ghee contain fats. They also give us warmth. Our body needs very little fat. Bodybuilding foods helps to build our body. Such foods include pulses, meat, fish, and eggs. Milk is also a bodybuilding food. It helps to build strong teeth and bones. It is known as a complete food. These nutrients are needed by the body to grow and repair the damaged parts of the body. Proteins are also called bodybuilding nutrients. Another type of food helps to protect our body from illness. They are vitamins. The best way to get vitamins is by eating them. Vitamins are nutrients that protect the body from diseases. They are called protective nutrients. Green leafy vegetables, tomatoes, carrots, and fruits are rich in vitamins. Our body needs minerals such as calcium, iron, potassium, and iodine. Calcium helps in the formation of bones and teeth. Milk and milk products such as curd, cheese, and paneer are rich in calcium. Iron is needed to form blood. Green leafy vegetables, spinach, carrots, and beetroots contain iron. Cereals such as ragi and bajra are rich in calcium and iron. The next topic is water and roughage. Water is an important part of all body functions and processes including digestion and elimination. Water carries nutrients to all cells in our body and oxygen to our brain. Water allows the body to absorb minerals, vitamins, glucose, etc. Water flushes out toxins and waste, and it helps to regulate body temperature. So, we should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. What is roughage? Roughage is the portion of plant foods such as nuts, seeds, fruits and vegetables that your body cannot digest. Roughage does not provide any nutrient to our body, but it is an essential component of our food. This helps our body get rid of undigested food, or roughage helps in the easy removal of wastes from the body. I hope you understood the topic. Thank you.